Guys, I'm Marielis with WTI. As we grow, we need to heal our body with certain things. That's why I love this omega-3 supplement called OmegaXL. Since I can take them different times a day, I normally take them in the morning with breakfast and at night with dinner. It comes in a small bottle, very useful when we are away from home and we don't want to lose our routine because it fits in any bag. The bottle has all the instructions for use, ingredients, and other usage and contact information, which is very useful. It also opens and closes very easily. That's about the bottle. The supplement itself comes with 60 gel capsules, super small and easy to swallow, and they don't leave a bad taste. The lid is practical because it is immersion proof and doesn't let them come out. And that's my point of view.